Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare potato and cheese dumplings. I like to make a large batch and freeze them, so I don't have to worry about school lunches for the kids during the week. I hope you enjoy this. You can also try making them at home. Healthy, homemade, and so easy. Now let's get started.
Thank you.